If you need to extend an individual composition ply, here's the workflow. First, make sure to enable face detection. Then select the elements you wish to modify and show their composition. Now, the element compositions are displayed ply by ply. Place the cursor over the ply that you want to extend, then press Tab until the ply face you want has its boundary highlighted. Use the quad to activate Push-Pull and pull the highlighted surface to meet the adjoining surface you want. Repeat these steps to design the complete connection.